Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can promote your video on your own channel and also whether you will be getting good results or no. So I will be showing you the one video which I promoted on my YouTube channel. So what you have to do is you have to go to the contents. See, I am in the YouTube studio. So you have to go to the content here. So it will be showing the different videos. So one of my video which is on the Diwali lighting, so that is having 132,000 views, and I will be showing you once I click here. So I will be showing you the results. So this is the 132,000.7. This is the exact views, 132,654 views, and it has given me a revenue of $54.26 and given me 16 subscriber. So I gain more views, rather more subscriber. So if I go back here, and then $100 was my budget, so I go to promotion tab, and then you can see here. So this is the one I spend 99.94 cents, and I got impression 162, 103, and views was only 11,262. So not exactly the views with the promotion. So this is the thing. So now I will be showing you how you can promote your video. So what you have to do is, so go to the channel contents, and then this is the promotion page. So you will be seeing on the right side there is a new promotion tab. Just click on that. So this is the thing. So what is your main goal? So you have to select audience growth, or you want the video views, or you want the website visit if you have a website. So you can select any of that. So but only you can select one thing only. So the YouTube will be promoting that way. So I am selecting the video views, and then you have to go bottom and click next. So once you are going next, so it is by default picking up your latest video. Like in my case, it is a saying full day South Sea Island cruise in Fiji. So if you want to promote different video, you can click change, and you can, let's say, click change, and it will be showing you all the videos under my channel. See this one, and you can search here. Let's say I am searching 4K. See, on the search tab you have to click and select 4K, and then I select Switzerland, and see, this is my second video. So 4K, let me select this one. So Switzerland 4K HDR video with the mind relaxing soothing music. So I need to promote that. So this is my video, and then you go down, so it will be showing you the thumbnail also, and then you need to go next, and then it will be asking the countries where you will be promoting, like India, US, Australia, Philippines, Pakistan. So let's say you can select any other country. Let's say I'm selecting Nepal. So you select that, and let's say another one I'm selecting is Canada. So you select that, and whichever countries you want to select, you can select that way. So once you are happy with your selection, then this is a general question: European Union political ads, whether you are promoting any European Union political. So you select no, and then click next, and now it is saying how much you want to spend. See this one, and what will be the end date for this promotion. So it is giving me 10 November, so which is around 2 weeks of time. Let's say I am reducing my budget, or you can increase the budget. So I am just putting $100, let's say, and end date, so let's say I am keeping that till 16th of November. Okay, so it is giving me the estimated view 190k impression, 370 and 30k views I will get. So I will be showing you how much is my present views. So let me open up another YouTube tab. So I will be showing you that way. See, this is my YouTube, and going to the videos, and I'm on another separate tab going to the content, and it is saying search across channel. So I am searching 4K Switzerland, so which is my this video published on 23rd of November 2024. So I will be seeing the analytics. So it will be giving you like I earned only 26 cent and 145 views only. So I will be going back on the same, and then I will be selecting, let's see if this promotion spending $100 will be giving me 30k views or no. So now click promote, and that's it. So we have sent the request, and as you can see, so my second request is here. So I lodged the request on 27th of October, and at the moment they haven't charged anything because we just submitted. So it's a $0 cost and 0 impression, 0 views and 0 subscriber. So that is how you promote it. So as you can see, we just submitted this promotion, so the status is pending and the other promotion is active. So after few hours or few minutes it will be changed to active, and whatever credit card, anything you have given, they will charge initial charges on that one, and they will be finally charging the amount from that very card. See, now you can see my promotion is active for this first video. You can see the status active, and it was started on 27th of October yesterday, and the cost so far is $4.27. Impression is 356 and views are 61. So that is how you can get the information when the promotion is on. So if you have any question, just put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.